What does a black hole sound like? If you want to hear it, keep watching. Before listening, allow me to share some important facts about black holes. They say space is a vacuum, silent, empty. But that's not entirely true. In 2003, scientists using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory detected something unusual in the Perseus galaxy cluster, a wave. A pressure wave rippling through space. At first, it wasn't something humans could hear. The frequency was over 57 octaves below middle C, far beyond human hearing. But in 2022, NASA converted this wave into sound. What they released shocked the world. The audio revealed a deep, haunting hum, a vibration that echoed through the void, like something alive was breathing inside the galaxy cluster. So what are we actually hearing? It's the sound of a black hole interacting with surrounding gas and dust. As matter spirals into the event horizon, it creates intense pressure waves. These waves disturb the hot gas around the black hole, and those ripples, though silent to us, can be translated into audible tones. This process is called sonification. It doesn't fake the sound. It simply transforms the data, turning invisible ripples into real vibrations we can feel. This specific black hole is about 240 million light-years away. And yet, here we are, listening to it. Let that sink in. A cosmic monster from a galaxy far beyond our reach is humming, low, deep, constant. Is it just a physical phenomenon? Or does it point to something more mysterious? Some say this sound reminds them of sci-fi horror. Others call it beautiful. But one thing is certain, it's real. And it proves that the universe is not silent. It's just speaking in a language we're only beginning to understand. And now, the actual sound of a black hole. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to follow for more.